Hello and welcome to this video. OLED TVs are becoming increasingly popular, not just in living rooms, but also among editors and colorists. And for a good reason. OLED displays offer an incredible dynamic range and stunning color reproduction, making them an excellent choice for video editing and color grading. And all that at just a fraction of the price of a professional reference monitor, which can easily cost thousands of dollars. However, there's one big drawback. Unlike professional reference monitors, OLED TVs are not factory calibrated for color grading or editing. That means the colors you see out of the box are not guaranteed to be accurate. And that's a problem when color precision really matters. Otherwise, you might end up compensating colors in a direction you didn't actually need to, simply because your display isn't showing them correctly. This is exactly where the Datacolor SpyderPro comes in. With the SpyderPro, you can calibrate your OLED TV, achieve a truly color-accurate image, perfectly suited for editing and color grading. It ensures you to get a consistent and reliable color representation every time you work. But that's not all. The SpyderPro also allows you to generate a 3D LUT during the calibration process. Why is that important? Well, if you're like me and use the OLED TV on set as a client preview monitor, you often don't have a computer connected, since the TV is usually hooked up to the camera or video switcher. Here's the smart part. With the exported 3D LUT, you can load the LUT into a converter, such as this one from Blackmagic Design, which supports LUT storage. Just make sure your converter is LUT compatible. Not all of them are. Simply connect the HDMI output of your computer to the converter and the HDMI output of the converter to your OLED TV. Start the calibration process as usual. Then the software gives you the option to choose which color space the LUT should be generated for example Rec 7 or 9 or P3 DCI, depending on your workflow. Once the calibration is complete, you can export this 3D LUT to your hard drive, then load the LUT file into your converter like I did here with my Blackmagic converter. And this converter even gives you the option to enable or disable the LUT on both the HDMI and the SDI output, depending on how you want to monitor your signal. Once the LUT is stored to your converter, every time it's connected to your OLED TV, you'll have a color accurate image, whether it's for your client on set or for your own preview monitoring. With the SpyderPro, Datacolor provides the perfect workflow for every situation. Now you can use your OLED TV not only for precise color grading, saving you thousands compared to high-end reference monitors, but also as a calibrated on-set monitor thanks to the 3D LUT generated by the SpyderPro. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see each other in the next one. Until then, peace and out.